Hi, and welcome to Cash and Coins. Today I want to discuss what's going on with the silver market. I'm sure if you've been looking around, you see that there are many videos about the shortages. So I do want to talk about that. I also want to talk about what industry is saying about silver and where can you buy silver at low prices from online dealers. All right, let's get into it. Hello, and thank you for joining me here at Cash and Coins. I hope you're doing all right. As I said, there's a lot going on in the silver market lately. The U.S. Mint sent me and many of us an email admitting the shortage of silver. As I will read this for you. Here's the email. As the demand for silver remains greater than the supply, the reality is such that not everyone will be able to purchase a coin. And that's straight from the US Mint. So that made me think about it, and I thought I should do some more research. So I did. And this is what industry is saying. As you know, silver is used in green energy. Specifically, silver is used in solar. So I went to PV magazine. I believe the PV stands for photovoltaic. Well, let me get into it here. So the solar industry purchases a lot of silver. It's just a part of doing business. They need silver. They need silver for those solar panels. So let's take a look at the article. Let's see what they said. Here we go. The consumption of silver paste and cost control will become issues as the global economy rebounds from the COVID-19 recession. Demand for silver will rise significantly from photovoltaic and many other industries where the material is used. And then they went on to say, a fast economic recovery will drive up silver prices in the long run. Global inflation collapsed last year due to the economic slump and the sluggish oil prices. But it's likely to bounce back rapidly this year thanks to a strong economic recovery and last year's low base. By then, demand for precious metals such as gold and silver that can be used to hedge against inflation will rise and will push silver prices higher. Yeah, as you see, the solar industry admits they're having trouble with silver because the prices are going up. The demand for silver will rise significantly, they said, and this will push the price of silver higher. So there you have it in a nutshell. Two very unique industries, the US Mint and the solar companies, both admitting that there are issues when it comes to silver. Silver prices are going up and silver is harder, I guess, to come by. And yes, I am not trying to feed into the hype. I'm just showing you what I read from what I researched. I'm showing you the facts as I see it. And by the way, like I always say, I am not a financial advisor. And yes, I even read that silver will rise to $50 this year. I wasn't even sure I was going to put this in there. There were so many articles. I just picked one. And this one says, the $30 level is obviously a large, round, psychologically significant figure. But if we can break above there, then historically that means we are going to go looking towards the $50 level. And quite rapidly. So with that said, you know that silver has hit $50 or just about $50 twice already in history. In 2011 and in 1980. Now 1980 was done because of the Hunt brothers and what they were doing. but in 2011 it was more like what's going on now. And with that said, this is to say that it is not an impossible thing. It can happen. And money is being printed out of thin air. And what happens to the value of silver? It seems to go up, especially when that happens, just as gold does. And we know gold and we know silver always follows gold. So yes, I stack both silver and gold. Now I'm talking about stacking. This brings me to where are the deals? So I tried to look at the big online dealers. I started off with APMEX, and they were the priciest for 1 ounce of silver at $4.49 over spot for their lowest price on their site for a silver round. And then you have Bullion, and they're usually the least expensive. But Bullion today was at $4.29 over spot. Now JM Bullion did much better. They were only $4.19 over spot. But look at this at Monument Metals. I was kind of surprised because they have silver as low as $3.99 over spot. Yeah, now all of these companies, they have the $199 for free shipping. And as I always say, it pays to look around. So as you see, just looking at how many did I look at? 4 different sites. I got 4 different prices and found silver at under $4 over spot. So yeah, I'm not sure how long they're going to have it like that, but you can look around. And I didn't get into silver bars because a lot of times those are even cheaper. You can let me know in the comments, where do you buy your silver and what are the best prices that you get? So maybe we can help some people out. I think that would be great. But getting back to the online dealers, the widest spread is about 50 cents from the $3.99 at Monument Metals to the priciest APMEX at $4.49 over spot. And if you want to take it further, right? If you were to buy them at Monument Metals as opposed to APMEX, so for about every 66 coins that you bought, you would get a free coin. And let's say you bought 500 coins, you would get about 7 free. And like I said, this is based on buying from Monument Metals as opposed to APMEX. And I'm just putting that out there for you big time stackers who can buy that much silver at one time. So you see, looks like the potential for silver is there. Industry and the US Mint have admitted to shortages and to the rising of the prices of silver. Well, the US Mint is already charging tremendous premiums on their silver. $85 for less than an ounce. I mean, it's crazy. But what will I do? I will keep on stacking like I always do. I will keep on buying silver and gold. I see silver and gold as real money, so yes, I will keep on buying them. Well, I hope that you found this video entertaining. If you got something out of it, I hope you do smash the like, as they say. It really does help me out. And if you share, comment, of course that helps me out too. So I would like to thank you for watching, and I do hope that you hit the like, you comment, you share, and subscribe if you have not. And if you are a subscriber, thank you so much. You know I really do appreciate it. And as I always say, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next video.